Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I kind of thought it would be neat to show you a neat little 4-ace trick. It's not really a trick in of itself, it can be combined with things. So as with any 4-ace trick, you're going to need to pull out the 4 aces. So there's the ace of hearts and the ace of clubs, it's 2. Let's see, ace of diamonds, and the last one, the ace of spades. There's ace of spades. And just pull these 4 aces out and place them face down in your face up deck. And now you're just going to spread them out around the table. And you're going to ask the spectator to go ahead and pick which one they think is the ace of spades. And you can do like a little Monty move if you want, just like that. And they can point to any card that they want. And whichever one they think the ace of spades, let's say they point this one, it doesn't really matter because they're actually... the 4 kings and the aces are actually face up in the middle of the deck. And that's Ace's Surprise. Now, before I show you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're looking to support this channel, you can do that through the YouTube membership, given all in the links in YouTube below. Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com. The tutorial. So it's obviously you're gonna have to set up your deck, which when you do a 4-ace trick, it doesn't matter. You're not shuffling the cards because you're just going through and pulling out the 4 aces. So the setup, you're gonna have to pull out the 4 aces, the 4 kings, and you can use any 4 of a kind that you want, just 4 and 4. Get a card and get the corresponding card that looks like that card. So in this case, we'll use the 8 of diamonds and the 9 of diamonds. Now, the setup, you're just going to get any other card. Let's use something else besides a diamond. Let's use a 10 here. Okay, any card, the 4 kings, one of these cards that looks like each other, turn it face down, and then get the ace of spades and put it on top of that. This other card that matches this face down card, put it on the bottom of the deck, like so. Take your other remaining 3 aces and just place them, randomly in the remainder of the cards. So they're in the middle, just like that, every 10, 8, 10 cards, whatever, so on and so forth, okay? And then just place those in the deck. It doesn't matter where those are. And then you have the ace of spades, this card that matches this, face down, any card, the 4 kings, any card here. Square these up and then just place, this is the face up deck, place all these cards on top of that. You place these in the card box in this order, and then you're ready to do the trick. So you come out, you have the deck set up. So if you spread them out face up, it looks like this at the top. Any card, 4 aces, face down card, ace of spades. Go through and say you're gonna show a 4-ace trick. Do whatever pattern you want. Present it because you're the entertainer. And pull out the ace of hearts, ace of clubs, and I like to do them red, black, just so you know that you didn't pass any of the aces as you go through the cards. Pull out the ace of diamonds. Now you know your last one's the ace of spades and it's at the top. So you're gonna have to be careful here and kind of square up the cards as you go through them. Say, okay, the ace must be at the top. And be very careful of your angles because you're gonna have the ace of spades, out jog it, and then just kind of get that last card, which is just the top card, and pull it down. So it just looks like one card, but this ace of spades is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards, okay? So you just have to hide that and be careful. Square these kind of up, twist them out so you have this whole pack here, and then immediately you're going to turn them face down on top of this bottom card. But what you have is the 4 aces, a face down card, and then the 4 kings. So when you pull them out, turn them immediately face down, square up the deck, and then just drop the top 4 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, on the table. Now this is that other card that looks like that other card that you put on the bottom, okay? And what you have now is this. The 4 aces are now face down in between these 2 cards that look similar. Give the deck a cut, okay, just a normal cut, and then place them face down on top of the table. Now you can mix these up and say, okay, point to the ace of spades, ask the spectator, or ace of clubs, whatever. It doesn't matter which one they point to. These are now the 4 kings. And then when you spread these cards out, the 4 aces are now face up in the middle of the deck, and it's all regular cards. Okay, so that's Ace's Surprise. It's neat to do. It's really easy. You just have to be careful without jogging that last ace because it's 5 cards. You got to make it look like 1, but with a little bit of practice, you can get it done. And be careful of your angles. You know, more hold it down with the viewer's eyes like this so they don't see as much from the sides, etc. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you enjoy it, and make sure you're subscribed. And until next time.